Dear students, today we are discussing some more functions and their graphs. So, look at here. First of all, defining a real valued function f from R to R. Y is equal to f of x is equal to x square. F of x is equal to x square. X belongs to R. So, how we can plot this function? How? So, we can draw the graph. First of all, we want to find the x and the corresponding y values. So it is a real valued function and the domain is set of all real numbers. Domain of R is equal to set of all real numbers and the codomain of f is equal to set of all real numbers again. So we cannot find all real values here. So I am just choosing some arbitrary real numbers. So minus 4, x equal to minus 4. Then what is f of x? F of x equal to x square. F of x equal to x square. So x equal to minus 4. Then we will get f of minus 4. What is that? F of minus 4. Image of minus 4 is equal to minus 4 square. Minus 4 whole square is equal to 16. So image of minus 4 is 16 because the function is f of x equal to x square. So minus 4, then f of minus 4 is equal to minus 4 whole square is equal to 16. So in the same manner, we will get the image of minus 3 is equal to minus 3 whole square, 9. Minus 2, the image of minus 2 whole square is equal to 4. Image of minus 1 is 1. Image of 0, 0 square is again 0. Image of 1 square, 1. 2, 2 square, 4. 3 square, 9. 4 square, 16. This is not enough, but there are so many real numbers in between 1 and 2, in between 2 and 3. If you are considering the element 0.5, x equal to 0.5, then what is the image of 0.5? It is 0.5 whole square, that is equal to 0.25. 0.25. So we can plot the image of 0.5, that is equal to, here is the 0.5, in between 0 and 1, the center point is 0.5, and the image of 0.5 is equal to 0.25. So it is here. So that means in between minus 4 and minus 3, there are so many real numbers, infinite real numbers. And also we have some images for those real numbers. So that's why we are plotting some here. The image of minus 1 is 1. Image of minus 2 is 4. Is 4. Image of 1, 1. Image of 2, 4. Image of 3, what is that? It's 9. And also image of minus 3 is 9. So we will get some points here. So just plot a curved graph through these points. Then we will get the graph of f of x equal to x square. So from this we can find the range of f. So actually look at here. In every point in this axis, we will get the image. Look at here. Here we have an image. Here we have an image. So these are the images of some x values. These are the images. So look at here. If you are writing some straight line like here, we didn't get any image because the graph is entirely in the upward. So the graph of f is equal to x square is entirely lie in upper half plane. So the range of f, that means the range is the y values. This is the f of x. This is the value of f of x. So range is equal to x square such that x belongs to R. So here it is closed 0 because in the y-axis the graph is starting from 0. So closed 0 and it goes to infinity. So 0 to infinity. This is the range of this function f of x equal to x square. Look at the next function f from R to R defined by f of x equal to x cube. X belongs to R. So I'm letting some values here. Minus 3. So minus 3 whole cube. What is that? Minus 3 whole cube. Actually, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. What is that? Minus into minus will become plus. So plus 1 into minus 1. So plus into minus is again minus. So if you are multiplying the negative values 3 times, we will get minus. So that is minus 3 whole cube is equal to minus, then 3 cube 27. 3 into 3 into 3, 27. And the image of minus 2. Minus 2 whole cube. So minus cube is equal to minus. And 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, 8. So minus 1 whole cube. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. We'll get minus 1. 0 cube, 0. 1 cube, 1. 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3, 27. So we cannot plot the 27 here. It's a large number. So I'm just restricting my values from minus 2 to 2. Okay, minus 2 to 2. So from minus 2. What is the image of minus 2? Is minus 8. So here we have minus 8. So this point. An image of minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1, image of minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So we'll get the point here. An image of 1 is 1. Actually, in the y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 3 unit. Okay, that's why I'm letting 3, 6, 9, 12 like that, like this. 1 centimeter is equal to 3 unit. So then image of 2 cube, that is 8, which is here. So we got some points. So just plot a graph through these points. It is not a straight line because it is like this. So it is not straight line. So just draw a curve including these points. Then we will get the graph of f of x equal to x cube is like this. So clearly domain of f is equal to R. Codomain of f is equal to R. There is no doubt. So now what is range of f? Range of f, the value of y-axis. Values in the y-axis. That is x cube. Look at here. The graph is going like this. It is not ending here. It is going to infinity. So we'll get the values of y. That means it is starting from. So look at here. Here we have value. Here we have values. and also here we have values. So that is the range of f is entire real number. That is set of all real number. Range of this function. Set of all, again set of all real numbers. Because the image of this function, sorry, the x-axis is y-axis. So here we will get image of x-axis is the entirely y-axis. Look at the next example. F of x equal to 1 by x. So look at the domain. F from r minus 0. F from r minus 0 to r. So what is r minus 0? Just to delete the element 0 from the set of all real numbers. Because look at here, the function is f of x equal to 1 by x. If you are letting x equal to 0, what will become? It is 1 by 0. What is 1 by 0? Not defined. It is not defined. 1 by 0 is not defined. So we cannot find the value of 1 by 0. So that's why we are just deleting the number 0 from the domain. From the real number. We are just deleting the 0 from the real number. Because we cannot find the image of 0. Okay, then we are just arbitrarily choosing some values. Minus 2. What is the image of minus 2? 1 by minus 2. What is that? 1 by minus 2. 1 by minus 2. Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. What is minus 1 by 2? Minus 0.5. Minus 0.5. Then image of minus 1.5. What is that? F is equal to 1 by x. So minus 1 by 1.5. What is minus 1 by 1.5? It's equal to minus 0.66. Minus 0.66. Then what's the image of minus 1? It is minus 1 by 1. Equal to minus 1. There is no doubt. Minus 1 by 1 is equal to minus 1. Then what's the value of minus 0.5? It is minus 1 by 0.5. Equal to minus 2. Minus 2. Then what is image of 0.25? It is 1 by 0.25. So look at here. In between 0.5 and 0.25, sorry, minus 0.5 and minus, in between minus 0.5 and 0.25, there is a value 0. But in the domain, we have no 0. The domain of f is r minus 0. So we cannot find a 0 as in our domain. So next, x is 0.5. Then image of 0.5 is equal to 1 by x. That is 1 by 0.5. It's equal to 2. Image of 1 by 1 is 1. Image of 1.5, that is 1 by 1.5, is 0.66. Image of 2, 1 by 2, that is 0.5. So look at here. If you are letting x equal to 100, what's the image of 100? F of 100. The image of 100 is equal to 1 by x, that is 1 by 100. What is that? 0.001. Sorry, point, it is not 001, 0.01. 0.01. So actually x is a large number, 100, but the image of this large number is a small number, 0.01. If you are letting a small number, that is if x equal to 0.001, x is a small number, 0.001, then what is the image of this x? 0.001 is equal to 1 by 0.001. What is that? 1 by 0.001. It is 1000. So look at the difference. If x is a large number, then f of x, 1 by x, will become a small number. If x is a small number, then the image of this small number will become a large number. So this will affect in our graph. So I am just letting these values here. Here 1, 2, and -1, -2, 1, 2, -1, -2. Actually, x equal to 0.001, it's here. This is 0.001. But what's the image of 0.001? We cannot find because it is 1000. We cannot plot in a small line. Here we cannot plot 1000. So image of 0.001 is a large number. So it is maybe here. Maybe here. So image of -2 is -0.5. So I am just writing. Here is 1. Sorry, -1. This is -1. This is -2. And this is 1, 2. So image of 1 is 1. Image of -1 is -1. Image of -1, -1. Image of 1 is 1. And image of -1.5. Here -1.5. It is -0.66. So it is here. It is 0.5. Then 0.66 is here. So -0.5 is here. What is the value of -0.5? It is -0.5. Then value of -0.5, image of -0.5 is equal to -2. So this is -0.5. This is -2. So look at here. This is our graph. And the positive side, image of 1 is equal to 1. Image of 0.5. Image of 0.5. Here is the 0.5. Image of 0.5 is equal to 2. And image of 1.5. Here it is 1.5. So 0.66. It is 0.66. Here. Image of 2, 0.5. It is here, 0.5. So the graph is like this. It is going like this. So this is the graph of f of x equal to 1 by x. This is the graph of f of x equal to 1 by x. Here it is 0, but in the domain we have no 0. So this is the graph of f of x equal to 1 by x. Now, what is the domain? There is no doubt, domain is equal to set of all real numbers minus set to 0. Codomain is again set of all real numbers. Then what's the range? What is the range of 1 by x? Actually, range is equal to 1 by x. X belongs to R. It is not x belongs to R minus 0. X belongs to the domain. So range x belongs to R minus 0. So it is again every real number. Look at here, every real number, but excluding 0. Every real number, but excluding, because like this, here we have 0, but there is no x such that 1 by x equal to 0. So in the range, we cannot find 0. In the range, we cannot find 0. That means there is no x which maps to 0. So next function is the modulus function, denoted by mod x. F of x equal to mod x. F from R to R defined by f of x equal to mod x. So that means just to make every element as a positive. So image of minus 3, 3. Image of minus 2, 2. Image of minus 1, 1. Image of 0, 0. Image of 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. And also if you are letting x equal to minus 0.25, then f of x will become 0.25. If f of x equal to minus 0.25, then f of x will become 0.25. So we can plot this graph. Minus 3, image of minus 3 is 3. So image of minus 3 is 3. Image of minus 3, 3. Image of minus 2 is 2. Image of minus 1, 1. Image of 1, it is again 1. Image of 2 is 2. Image of 3 is 3. So it is like the image of 0, 0. So it is like this. Here we have a straight line, and also here we have another straight line. This is the graph of modulus function. You just write these straight lines which using a scale. Okay. This is the graph of modulus function. F of x equal to mod x. So look at here, domain. What is domain? Set of all real numbers. What is codomain? Set of all real numbers. What is range? Range. Here it is starting from 0. Then 1, 2, 3 like this. Starting from 0. We cannot find an image in the negative part. So range is equal to including 0. 0 to infinity. Positive real numbers. Positive real numbers. It is denoted like this. Positive real numbers. And also we can define the modulus function like this. We can define modulus function like this. What is that? F of x equal to x if x is greater than or equal to 0. That is, if x is equal to 0, then it is 0. If x equal to 1, this is 1. X equal to 2 is 2. X equal to 3, it is 3. And minus x if x equal to is x less than 0. That is less than 0, that means negative. Here x equal to minus 3. Then what is f of x? Minus x minus minus 3. That is equal to 3. Then what is the value of minus 2 or image of minus 2? It is negative. So minus minus 2 equal to 2. Image of minus 1, minus into minus 1, 1. So that's the definition of mod x. X if x greater than or equal to 0 and minus x if x less than 0. Next function is signum function. Actually the name is signum function, but it's a simple function. Okay. Signum function. Signum function. What's the definition of signum function? F of x equal to 1 if x is positive. X is greater than 0, then f of x equal to 1. F of x equal to 0 if x equal to 0. F of x equal to minus 1 if x less than 0. So here for the value of f of x, here we have only 3 values: 1, 0, minus 1. 1, 0, minus 1. So look at here, f of x equal to 1, 0, minus 1. So what's the image of minus 3? It is negative, that is x less than 0. Then f of x equal to minus 1. Then x equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is negative. If it is negative, then f of x equal to minus 1. So again minus 1. X equal to minus 1 is negative, then f of x equal to minus 1. X equal to 0. If x equal to 0, then f of x equal to 0. Now 1, x equal to 1. 1 is a positive. So if x equal to positive, then f of x equal to 1. X equal to 2 is a positive. 2 is a positive. Then f of x equal to 1. X equal to 3 is a positive. So f of x equal to 1. So this is a signum function. If the real system or the real number is negative, then f of x equal to minus 1. If it is 0, then f of 0 equal to 0. If it is positive, then f value is 1. So minus 3, if x equal to minus 3, the value is minus 1. If x equal to minus 2, the value is again minus 1. X equal to minus 1, the value is again minus 1. If x equal to minus 0.5, the value is again minus 1. If x equal to minus 1.5, then equal to minus 1. Then what is the value of f of x equal to 0? If x equal to 0, then it is 0. So x equal to 0, f of 0 equal to 0. So this is like this. We will get a straight line. But this excluding, it is excluding the minus 1. Because if x equal to 0, the value is not minus 1, it is 0. If x equal to 0, the f of x is not minus 1. So we are just writing like this. And here we have a shaded bubble. So what's the value of 1? Sorry, image of 1 is 1. Image of 2 is again 1. Image of 3 is again 1. Image of 2.5. 1, image of 1.5, 1, image of 0.5, 1. So we'll get a straight line like this. But there is a mistake there. There is a definition, because if x equal to 0, it is not 1. So here we want to point out the 0. So this is signum function. In every positive real number, we will get the image is equal to plus 1, plus 1. And for every negative real number, the image is equal to minus 1. And if x equal to 0, the image is 0. If x equal to 0, the image is 0, not 1 or minus 1. So here, domain, it is not finite, it is endless. So domain is R. There is no doubt. Codomain is again R. There is no doubt. So what is range? What is range? Range means y values. Look at here. Range is the set of all f of x. Set of all f of x. F of x such that x belongs to the domain. This is the definition of range. So here we have the values of f of x are 1, 0, minus 1. So 1, 0, minus 1. This is the range of this signum function. Look at the next function, greatest integer function. Greatest integer function. Denoted like this. Denoted like this, greatest integer. That means the greatest integer less than or equal to x. Greatest integer less than or equal to x. If it is minus 3, then the greatest integer of minus 3 is minus 3. There is no doubt. Because minus 3 is an integer. Minus 2 is an integer. So it is minus 2. Minus 1 is an integer. So image of minus 1, minus 1. And 1 is an integer. So image of 1 is equal to 1. 2 is integer. So image of 2 is equal to 2. 3 is integer. So image of 3 is equal to 3. And also 0 is an integer. So image of 0 is equal to 0. So what's the image of minus 2.5? So what's the definition? Greatest integer less than or equal to minus 2.5. Greatest integer. Actually, here we have minus 3 and minus 2. In between minus 2.5. It's a real system. In between minus 3 and minus 2, here we have minus 2.5. So greatest integer less than or equal to x. Then what is that? Greatest integer less than or equal to minus 2.5. Less than or equal to. So less than or equal to. That means minus 3. Look at here. 2.5. In between 2 and 3, we have 2.5. Here it is 2.5. In between 2 and 3, we have 2.5. Then what is the image of 2.5? The greatest integer less than or equal to 2.5. What is that? Less than or equal to. That means 2. 3 is greater than 2.5. 3 is greater than 2.5. So less than or equal to, that means 2.5. Image of 2.5 is 2. It is not 3. So greatest integer, that means less than or equal to. So an integer which is less than or equal to x. So here 0.5. What's the image of 0.5? Less than or equal to 0.5. So actually 0.5 is in between 0 and 1. 0.5 is in between 0 and 1. So what is the image of 0.5? Less than or equal to, that means 0. Image of 1.5. 1.5 is in between 1 and 2. So here 1.5. So what is the image of 1.5? Is 1. 1. What's the image of minus 1.5? Actually minus 1.5 is in between minus 1.5 in between minus 2 and minus 1. Here we have minus 1.5. In between minus 2 and minus 1. Here minus 1.5. So image of minus 1.5 less than or equal to, that means minus 2. So this is greatest integer function. Less than or equal to x. The greatest integer less than or equal to x. So next we are plotting, or we are drawing the graph of this function. So from minus 3 to minus 2. From minus 3 to minus 2, it is minus 3. So this is minus 3. From minus 3 to minus 2, it is minus 3. But the image of minus 2 is minus 2. So image of minus 2 is minus 2. So minus 2, from minus 2 to like this. But image of minus 1 is minus 1. Image of 0, 0. From 0 to 1, it is 0. From 1 to 2, it is 1. From 2 to 3, it is 2. From 3 to 4, it is 3. So here we have a not shaded bubble. This is greatest integer function, the graph of a greatest integer function. So domain, there is no doubt, R. Codomain, so again R. What is the range? Range is equal to set of all f of x, such that x belongs to the domain. So look at here. What is f of x? Minus 3, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2. Then set of all integers. Here we cannot find a real number. Every image is an integer. So we can write some etc. comma minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, comma 1, 2, 3, etc. That is set of all integers. This is a notation of an integer. The set of all integers. The notation of the set of all integers. Z. The range of f is equal to z. set of all integers. So, dear students, please listen this video again and again. Please watch this video again and again. Then you will get correct idea of the topic functions. And also you will get the correct idea about the functions and their graphs, and how we can find domain, codomain, range of a function by using the graphs. So you just watch this video again and again. Okay, thank you.